Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll introduce Senior Board and show the admin page. Senior Board is a simple communication screen designed for older adults who have AMD vision problems and hearing loss, combined with memory difficulties. In this walkthrough, we'll show how to update messages, calendar, and how the information appears on a screen in the home of your parent or family member. Let's begin.
And I'll ask questions along the way. So you can write to the screen at your father.
Yes, exactly. I can write on the screen if I'm running late, or to let him know when I'm coming by. Sometimes I also write while we're talking on the phone, just to clarify things, like if his hearing aid is charging. And when I visit him, I usually write and he speaks. That works well for us.
What about the calendar?
The calendar is managed using Google Calendar. We fetch a copy of upcoming events directly from your calendar. There may be many repeating events, but only the first one is shown. We also check the event colors, and some events are given higher priority. Here, you can see a normal Google Calendar, and this explains why we use Google for login.
Because you're logged in with Google and have accepted the terms of service and privacy, you can simply click Copy. All future events will be downloaded. After that, Senior Board continuously selects the most important appointments and keeps the screen updated automatically.
Yes, exactly. It's now starting to fetch the calendar events. This can take a little while. In this case, we can expect around 1,000 events.
While we wait for the sync, can you explain the blue background and the text colors?
Sure. The blue background is used in the evening to create the high contrast. The background changes during the day. Black text on white during daytime, yellow text on black during the night. It's designed to support the natural daily rhythm.
Okay, thanks. So we can expect the screen to update in a moment and show the 7 most important appointments.
Yes, now, the system has identified the 7 most important events and continuously reevaluates them. An event like Take Vitamin Pill may have low priority and will only appear about 1 hour before the deadline. In contrast, New Year is high priority, so we show them much earlier.
Active devices are the client screens that display the content, for example, the screen my mother uses, and I can monitor them here.
Correct. You can set up more than one screen at your mother's place. Regarding recurring messages, these can be anything. For example, remember to drink water, Bob's wife is named Alice, or a small news update. They are shown briefly a few times per hour. We have intentionally limited how often they appear, because if they show up too frequently, they turn into background noise and are ignored. Often, information is remembered better at certain moments than others, so the messages are repeated regularly but not too often.
Many older adults live with 2 challenges at the same time: reduced hearing and reduced vision. Age-related hearing loss makes spoken information harder to follow. And AMD, age-related macular degeneration, makes it difficult to read text. When you cannot clearly hear the radio news, and you also cannot read the newspaper, the brain receives much less daily input. This lack of input can increase confusion and make memory problems feel stronger. So, in this system, you use very large fonts and high contrast and a very big screens to make information easy to see at a glance. What about hourly chimes or quarter-hour signals? My mother often has difficulty with the clock, the weekday, and even which month it is.
Yes, when the clock reaches a full hour, the screen shows a special symbol to clearly mark the change. Right after that, it displays the digital time together with the weekday and the month name. My father actually has a similar difficulty, especially after his afternoon nap. He sometimes believes it is a new day. So these small, clear time signals help him reorient himself without needing to ask. To set it up, you will need a large screen and a small PC connected to the internet. Open the browser and go to this web address, My Board. Then press F11 to enter full screen mode. If you prefer, you can also use kiosk mode, so the screen always starts directly into the display. Just make sure the PC has power and that the cable is not unplugged by accident. Sometimes Windows updates may interrupt the screen, so it helps if an older relative receives regular visits. This system is designed with that situation in mind. A simple screen that stays on, showing time, date, and general reminders, especially for older adults who need clear and calm information during the day.
If you want to prioritize events, you can assign them a color in Google Calendar. For example, use red for something very important like a family gathering. Use yellow for something important like a doctor's appointment. And use green for something low priority, like a reminder to take vitamins. Senior Board will automatically prioritize events based on the colors you choose and how soon the event is coming up. Just be careful not to mark too many events as high priority, as this can reduce Senior Board's ability to highlight the most relevant upcoming events. If you already have a Google account, you can try the system completely for free. Simply sign in and accept the terms, and you'll be able to see exactly how it would look for your parent. You can also create a new Google account or use a shared family calendar if that works better for you. For the best test experience, leave the screen on during the day. Senior Board will gently update as the day goes on and show upcoming events in a clear and calm way. As an event approaches, the screen will notify you in full screen mode, for example 1 hour before, 30 minutes before, 10 minutes before, and again when it's time. This means the screen will become more active as the deadline gets closer, helping to guide attention at the right moments. No credit card verification is required.